So I have a Kingston flash drive with a broken connector. When it's plugged into the computer, nothing happens. So let's see what's going on. All right, so here's the drive. All right, if we take a quick look at the connector, see it's definitely cracked right here. But the pads look like they're in good condition. Don't see anything else on this side either. So let's see what's going on. First step is to remove the connector. So we'll put some flux on there, heat it up. Now the trick is to evenly heat everything up here so the connector just falls off. Like that. All right, now none of the pads lifted. So then the question becomes, why the heck isn't this guy working? First thing to check would be the fuse. If we follow the big trace over here, which is for +5, goes to the other side over here, so that's the fuse. Let's test out the fuse for continuity. And the fuse works. That sucks. My job has officially become harder. Sometimes the passive components over here become loose when you have a broken solder connection. So let's try reworking them. Of course, it also could be a bad USB connector, because obviously USB connector is bent, but it doesn't really look like the pins are broken off of it. So let's go this route. When the solder is flowed, it turns nice and silver. All right, let's try putting a donor connector on this guy. I'm going to tin the pads for the USB connector. Because I'm pretty sure we'll be able to reuse the circuit board. Data pins. And lastly, ground. And after this, we're going to check for short to ground, because that would be very bad. No short to ground. Okie doke. Let's try this out. Okay, let's see if it works. All right, and awesome. Cool. Looks good. And that's recovering data from a Kingston flash drive with a broken connector that uses a Phison controller.